Hey everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andrei Angelkovski. We're here in Etobicoke. We're in the prime beaches in Toronto, and we're about to look at the most ideal beach property. Alright, so now we're entering into the main part of the house, which is the main floor apartment, and we'll see how the progress is going from now, right? Yeah. Alright, so you're on the buyer's page. Here's some money. Future home, my dream home, your dream home. He's your intentions to move into it. And what we wanted to show you today is the before picture. So we'll take a look at the house inside and out, and we'll explain to you viewers out there what Ben has gone through so far to prepare for this build. Okay, so why don't we take a look around? There's a bee that likes you. All right, we're here on the main floor now. We're gonna come take a look at this gorgeous suite. Let's go. You serious? Hello! Oh, this shaggin' wagon carpet. Oh, this place stinks. Yeah. And the affluent. We do that again. Yet, and I wish you for 2019 to be the best yet as well. So, would you like to say anything, guys?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Philip, would you like to say something?
No.
No?
Santa.
Investing.com. I think you want to invest in real estate. Better, I know you want to invest in real estate. Hey everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andrei Angelkovski. Okay. Fuck, man. My name is Andrei Angelkovski from beachinvesting.com. I've had accountant to lawyer to the architects to the team of group of professionals, and yeah. And to fill out the form below, you'll be able to get the book, so download it. If you want the book, fill out the form below and it will get automatically sent to you. No. Let me show you how. Call me. I will show you from A to Z how things we can get done and make them turnkey. I lost it.
Okay.
Who are you and what do you do? I'm a sensei in karate. I've got my black belt and I can whoop some ass.
Natural light. Let me hit you up with some more stuff. So what we're doing here.
Part of today is that we're going to show you what not to do when designing your basement apartment. So if you come over here, we are in the kitchen, and we have two laundry here side by side instead of getting stackables. And if you look in the corner over here, you'll see the sink, which is pretty hidden and very hard to get at. And while you're here and you're cooking your nice dinner here, and all of a sudden, this is what happens. Oh my goodness.
Sorry, Andre.
Well, it's alright. Sorry, I was, in the middle of cooking dinner. Thanks. I appreciate it. I can go here. Unassumed road. Don't ask me where I'm going, 'cause I don't know. Ugh. Oh, son of a. Alright, so now we're going to the biggest unit is the second floor and third floor combined. 3 bedrooms. Come on up. Guys! Oh, jeez. I didn't say hi, I said freaking...
Okay. This is good.
Okay, super. Go. Start again, right?
Neely, how you doing, Neely?
Hey, how you doing? Hold on, I got some salt on my hands. 1 second, buddy.
Look how many gloves do you have? You
How
have
you
two
doing,
of them?
Andrei?
I don't have
Yeah,
gloves.
hey, you should probably invest in them. You know,
is your-
beach investing.
Are your hands a little sweaty? Do you mind if I borrow some?